Hello everyone, today we're diving into Allianz, a global leader in insurance and asset management. With over 100 million customers in more than 70 countries, Allianz boasts a robust portfolio of products and services, from property and health insurance to assistance services and credit insurance. Allianz aims to secure people's lives and to give courage to our customers for what's ahead. It's their mission to help people secure their future, enabling them to realize their dreams and to build a better world. Allianz provides a wide array of features. They offer a comprehensive range of insurance and asset management products and services. Users can tailor their packages to suit their unique needs, whether it's for personal, commercial, or corporate insurance. The asset management services are equally flexible, offering solutions for individual investors, financial professionals, and institutions. Plus, Allianz's digital platforms make managing policies and assets more convenient, with features like online claims, policy management, and 24/7 customer support. Pricing at Allianz is highly dependent on the service or product you choose, as well as your unique circumstances. For example, their car insurance rates vary based on factors like the type of car, its age, and the driver's history. Similarly, life insurance premiums are determined by the policyholder's age, health, and lifestyle. Allianz's asset management services also have varying fees based on the type of investment and the amount invested. It's best to contact Allianz directly for a personalized quote. Allianz is ideal for a variety of use cases. Individuals seeking financial security will find a diverse range of insurance options, from health and life insurance to home and car insurance. Businesses can also benefit from their commercial insurance offerings, which cover risks like property damage, liability, and employee benefits. Meanwhile, investors seeking to grow their wealth can take advantage of Allianz's asset management services, which include multiple investment options and professional advice. Allianz offers many advantages. Their wide range of services and products means you can get almost all your insurance needs met in one place. They have a strong reputation for reliability and financial stability, with a high credit rating from major agencies. Allianz also stands out for its innovative use of technology, offering digital platforms that make managing your policies and investments easier. Lastly, they're committed to sustainable business practices, with initiatives aimed at reducing their environmental impact and promoting social responsibility. However, Allianz also has some limitations. Their pricing can be higher than some competitors, particularly for certain types of insurance. While they offer a wide range of services, not all are available in every country. Additionally, while their digital platforms are generally user-friendly, some customers have reported difficulties with online claims and policy management. And while they offer many types of insurance, their coverage may not be as comprehensive as some specialized insurers. Key takeaways. Allianz is a reliable, globally recognized insurance and asset management provider with a broad range of services. Their use of technology for customer convenience is a standout feature. However, their pricing can be high, and their online platforms may have occasional issues. Despite these drawbacks, for those seeking a comprehensive insurance and asset management solution from a reputable company, Allianz is a strong choice. Thank you for joining us in this analysis of Allianz. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, take care.